In this video, I'll guide you through getting started with the Tinkercad Simulator Lab. So when we first open up our dashboard, it will look something like this. Now, we have some presets that we can simply go ahead and edit, but in our case, let's start with a 3D design or a blank design. So click on the create button, and here you have 3D, circuits, and code blocks. I'll select the 3D design because this is one of the most popular features that people use here on Tinkercad. But of course, if you want to modify something like circuits, you could just go ahead and do so. Now, when you first navigated to the work plane, it will then show you the shapes, some controls, and some export import button. Now, the basic or the most simplest thing that you can do right here is to simply drag your shapes towards the work plane. From there, you can simply click on it and you will be able to edit something like its radius, its steps, its length, width, and height. But of course, you can also do this by clicking at the edge of the boxes right here. You will be able to simply move them up and down and adjust this the way you want to. Now, if you want to move your camera, you can simply click on this button right here, and then you can drag it to simply show you the space that you're working on. In here, we have the home view, we have the fit all in view, we have the plus, which is the zoom in, zoom out, and lastly, the switch to flat view. So from there, we also have additional tools right here that we can use. The first thing that I'll show you is the merging tool. For example, if I want to cut something of my shape right here, I'll simply integrate it into my shape that I want to cut. I'll select them together, and we have the ability to group them together or merge them together. There's also the bundle group right here if you want to do so. Now, by bundling them both, you simply have the ability to lock them together. But for the second option, we then have the merge group, which will simply merge the shapes together. And with that, as you can see, we have merged the whole and the solid shape. Now, if you simply want to merge something like a circle or any one of these shapes right here, you can just do the same thing where you place them wherever you want to, click on the union group, and from there, we then have successfully merged them together. Of course, there's other tools like the cruise tool right here. We have something like the shape work plane if you want to shape this whatever you want to. You have something like the drop to work plane, and finally, you have the ability to import, export, and send to. So those are the basic steps on getting started with Tinkercad Simulator. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.